Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with safety and the basics. Power off and presser foot lifted so the feed dogs move freely. Once done, wind and fit a full bobbin and place the spool on its pin. Thread the upper spool through the machine's designated guides to the tension discs. This aligns thread tension for smooth stitching. As you guide the thread, watch the take-up lever. Make sure it's raised, because threading through it ensures the stitch forms correctly when you start sewing. Now focus on the detailed path. Bring the thread down from the take-up lever into the tension assembly so it seats fully between the discs. Proper seating prevents skipped stitches. Next, lead the thread through the lower guides that channel it to the needle area. These keep the thread stable under motion. Then, thread the needle in the correct orientation for your machine, typically front to back. Leave a 3/4 inch tail under the presser foot to catch when you take the first few stitches. Finish by inserting the bobbin into its case with the thread feeding in the correct direction so it pulls smoothly from the slot. Lower the needle and hand turn the flywheel until the needle picks up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads back under the presser foot, ready to sew. If stitches look loose or uneven, make sure the upper thread is seated in the tension discs and the bobbin spins the right way. Rethread both paths and confirm the needle is the proper size for your fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.